Hi everybody, this is Lynn from mamas.got.plans, and I am back with another plan with me. First, I just want to apologize if I sound super sick on this video. I've actually been fighting the nastiest cold I've had in a long time for the last week. It's actually Thursday when I'm filming this, and I got sick last Friday. So it's been a long haul, but I didn't want to delay in filming any longer. So again, please just excuse my voice if I sound sick or I'm sniffling. But this week we're going to be planning for September 17th through the 23rd. And I know that it's the first day of fall on the 23rd, and a lot of people were doing fall kits, but it also happens to be my wedding anniversary on the 23rd. My husband and I are celebrating, or we celebrated rather, 18 years. So for that reason, I decided to use this Dreams Come True kit from Once More with Love. Honestly, I have been hoarding this kit probably for over a year. I don't even remember when she released it, but I specifically wanted to use it for our anniversary, and especially because this box right here, it says, "And they lived happily ever after," which I totally love. So I'm just going to go through this kit. Unfortunately, it is not available in her shop any longer, but I did just want to use it. Again, I've been holding on to it for some time, and I thought this was the perfect week. So you have your full boxes and some flags here. You have scallop checklists, which I love, some flags, circle icons, some quarter boxes, and just two 3-heart checklists. And then you've got, of course, your little Munchkins items, and then this weekend banner here. You have headers and little things, and then you've got some glitter headers over here, half boxes, 2 sidebar trackers, flags, washi strips, and a habit tracker right there. And then here you have your date covers and some deco. And then I also purchased, this was an add-on sheet that I purchased. So you have actually 2 strips of bottom washi, some more washi strips there, some more deco, another habit tracker, and then some more glitter headers. So that is what I'm going to be using this week. I also pulled in this Simply Gilded washi. It is the navy polka dot with gold. And this is a really interesting color here in the kit. Let me try to show you. It's kind of like a purpley navy, but I did think that it went well enough. And there is, you can see polka dot here in the background. So I just really wanted to use this. I don't get much opportunity to use the navy polka dot, so I thought it would be cute. So if you want to see how this week comes together, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, as I normally do with my Plan With Me's, is put down the bottom washi. This washi was split into 2, and although I did want to incorporate the Simply Gilded washi, I still wanted to use both pieces of the Once More With Love washi that was provided in the kit. So I went with that, and now here I am just writing in my dates on the date covers. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I normally don't write in dates. I don't know why. I just think that my handwriting looks weird when I write numbers. But these were little like crown spaces for the dates, and I don't know. I just thought that I would write them in instead of trying to find a sticker that would fit in there. So that's what I did, and I'm also just using the flags that were in the kit to cover up the flags in the corner of the Erin Condren. So for my sidebar, I am going to put down the quote full box that says Dreams Come True. I'm following that up with a This Week header. And then because I purchased the add-on sheet, I actually had 2 habit trackers to work with. So I am tracking my no spend or my low spend as I normally do, as well as my Instagram posts. And then there were no large ombre heart checklists in the kit, so I'm actually using both of the Monday through Sunday checklists instead. One of them I am just using to track my happy mail. It's not specific to the day of the week, but because that was the only large checklist I had, I decided to make do. And then the bottom checklist will be to track my workouts as I normally do. And I just use the goals header to put above that. And then I didn't do it on camera, but I did just add in a little bit of deco to those full boxes as well. Now here I am just putting down the glitter headers for the week. Again, because I purchased the add-on, I actually had 3 colors to work with, the gold, the light blue, as well as the silver. And I'm just alternating those up as I normally do. And then I'm going to go back and start on Monday, but before I do that, I just wanted to put down the weekend banner. This is a gorgeous weekend banner. I loved it, and I definitely wanted to make sure I included it in my spread this week. So I got a little full box happy here. I was so ready to just place down that first full box, but before I did that, I actually just wanted to figure out my spacing. So I used an early release sticker from Once More with Love. My boys had an early release that day. That morning caffeine sticker is from Randy Plans. You can find her on Etsy. And the little tofu the panda sticker in the coffee cup is from Stick With Me Shop. I also just wanted to mark down that I finally received my my Simply Gilded Happy Mail. That was the pre-sale of all the fall washi that happened in July, and I received mine, so I definitely wanted to mark that down. I then put down a glitter header, the full box, and here I am just following it up with some of that Simply Gilded washi. I really love the navy polka dots for this spread. Again, the navy in this kit has a kind of like a purple cast to it, but that's okay. I definitely just wanted to include some more of that navy color. After that, I put down a to-do header, and then I'm just cutting down one of the scalloped heart checklist to size. I'm writing down some things that I needed to get done that day. Initially, I put that asterisk sticker with the munchkin peeking out from it on the checklist. I do actually end up changing that. I move it over. I don't know why. It was just, I didn't like it placed on the checklist. I have no idea why. It kind of looks cute the way that it is there. I probably should have just left it, but I changed it. And then at the bottom of the day, I did just use a TV Little Things to mark down that I watched some YouTube in the evening. So moving on to Tuesday, the first thing I did was put down this full box. I followed it up with one of the little things, and I just covered the icon that was pre-printed because I wanted to use this Tofu the Panda sticker from Stick With Me Shop instead. After that, I used another quarter box. I wanted to mark down that I had a facial appointment, or actually it's another little things that I used and just covered up again the icons there, and that sticker is from Fox and Cactus. My facial appointment is actually about an hour from me, but the good thing is that there's a Hobby Lobby really close by, so I popped in there afterwards, and I actually did pick up, they already had some of the new Happy Planner stuff out. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, with the Happy Planner. I just am buying stuff, but I haven't actually used it yet. So I know a few of you were asking to see my Happy Planner, and honestly, I have nothing to show. I don't know what I'm doing with it at this point, but if I do figure it out, I definitely will share it here on my channel. After that, I also filmed my plan with me for that week when I got home, so I used a camera sticker from Very Cute Designs to mark that. I put down a today header and then one of the 2 ombre heart checklists that were in the kit just to mark down some things I needed to get done. And then I don't know what I was doing here. I did a lot of sticker layering. I ended up changing it up. I just wanted to mark down that Randy Plans had her first $2 Tuesday, and that $2 Tuesday sticker is actually from Randy. But then I decided I didn't like that kind of orangey sticker back there. I don't know, it was just weird. So I do end up taking that out. But at the bottom here, I used a quarter box and one of these little peeking munchkin stickers again, just to mark down that I spent some time that evening organizing my stickers. So moving on to Wednesday, my boys had no school, so I marked that with a Munchkin no school sticker. And because they had no school, I had made their dentist appointments for that day, so I used a quarter box and like a Tooth Fairy Munchkin sticker to mark that as well. You can see I overloaded on the Munchkins this week, guys, but obviously since I was using this kit and it was so special, I definitely wanted to include as many as I could. I then moved down to the bottom of the page actually and put down some Simply Gilded washi, and then I put down this full box here, and I felt like it was a little bit plain, so I wanted to use some of the deco with the kit. Honestly, I don't love the way that it turned out. I'm not very good. You could see I was having so much trouble trying to figure out how to place that, and I probably should have just left it, but then I don't know, I stuck down some more flower stickers too. Ugh. Anyway, now that I'm looking at it, I don't love it, but I'm just going to leave it. So, but before I, well, once I was finished with that, rather, I put down a glitter header above that. And then I moved back up on Wednesday. I cut down one of the scalloped heart checklists again, and used a to-do header above that just to mark down some things that I needed to get done that day. I also used little things and covered up the icon yet again with another sticker. This is an edit sticker from Very Cute Designs, just to mark down that I edited my plan with me that I had filmed the day before. And then I kind of had this awkward space, and I'm not one to use a lot of the washi strips from kits, but honestly, I needed to cover the dotted line that was left over there, so I just used a piece of the washi from the kit to cover that up. So moving on to Thursday, the first thing I did was put down this full box, and I love it. It's like the turret of a castle, and it's so cute with all the fireworks. I put down my Simply Gilded washi below that, and then I'm going to use a half box to mark down that I went with my mom to a design appointment. She's kind of doing like a redo of her family room area, and I'm helping her pick out some of her new furniture and decor. After that, I used one of the Munchkin stickers that came in the kit actually to mark down that I replied to some messages. And I also used an Instagram sticker from Very Cute Designs just to mark down that I posted on Insta. I needed to white out the lines that were left over here on the Erin Condren, so I did that first before I started writing. Moving down to the bottom of Thursday, I did want to mark down that we had sushi that night from my favorite sushi place. I love this sushi place because they also do hibachi. So I always order sushi, but then I always get myself a side of fried rice and lo mein, like the hibachi noodles. And my youngest and I, we always share it because there's just nothing better than fried rice and hibachi noodles. So anyway, I marked that down, and then I also used a today header as well as a heart checklist that I cut down to size to mark down some things that I did that day. Now, initially I used this Munchkin kind of holding a post-it note to mark down that it was the PBC sale, but you'll see I actually end up moving that to the full box that I put down, and I do go back up and put down a Friday sticker also from Once More with Love. But below that, I put down an eyelash appointment that I had, as well as a cafe date sticker that is from Randy Plans, and that coffee cup is from Very Cute Designs, just to mark down that I went and met my mom at a little coffee shop. I put down a glitter header, and then here is where I make the switch, just because that full box had that open space there, and I thought it would be perfect just to put that little Munchkin sticker to mark down the PBC sale. I went a little crazy, guys, with the PBC sale. I ordered all 3 days from Bubba Bear Studios. She was having like a really fun, I don't know, tiered freebie thing, and they were surprises, and of course I needed to get all of them, so I ordered all 3 days. So I will have a lot of Bubba Bear in my future for sure. After that, I used a to-do header. the second ombre heart checklist that was in the kit, just to mark down some things that I needed to get done. And then I used a half box, and that cheeseburger sticker is from Very Cute Designs because I was on snack bar duty that evening at the football game, and we sell a lot of cheeseburgers, so I just used that sticker to mark that down. So on to Saturday, I used an alarm clock sticker to mark down that we had to wake up early. We had an early football game. That football sticker is from Planner Frenzy. After that, we went to the diner, so I used a little things to mark that. And then I don't play football. I take pictures on the sidelines, but let me tell you guys, I am always exhausted after the game. So I used that snooze sticker from Once More with Love to mark down that I had a nap. And then I just used a little package sticker from Very Cute Designs. I got a new flat iron, so I just wanted to mark that down. I then put down a glitter header, a faux box, and then here I am just finishing off the day with some Simply Gilded washi, and you'll see I kind of just fixed the spacing a little bit. It was a little off, so I just wanted to even things out a little bit before I move on to Sunday. So Sunday is a very special day. Not only was it the first day of fall, which I used a half box to mark that, but it is also, or it was also, my 18-year wedding anniversary. I think I've probably mentioned it here before, but my husband and I are actually high school sweethearts. We met when we were 16, and we've been dating ever since. So we've been married for 18 years, but we've been together for a lot longer than that. So I just wanted to mark that down. And the full box that I chose for that day was the "And They Lived Happily Ever After," because I thought that was super appropriate. I put down some Simply Gilded washi, and then this is where, guys, I was really feeling crummy. So I used that kind of like snotty, miserable Once More with Love sticker to mark that. Yeah, I basically laid in bed for most of the day on Sunday. I was trying to figure out how to use that Take It Easy sticker, but it was a little too big, so I switched it out and used this Relax sticker instead. So here is a look at my completed spread. I absolutely love this week. I have been holding on to this kit forever because Once More with Love really doesn't do kits, but I'm happy that I was able to use it for this week because it was such a special week for my husband and I. I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I will have a list down below of all the sticker shops that I used, as well as some coupon and PR codes. If you guys liked this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can stay up to date with all of my future uploads. I will see you guys soon. Bye. And I do just want to throw in there, thank you guys for sticking with me. I know my voice is awful. I'm still sick, but I do appreciate you guys sticking with me through this plan with me. And yeah, hopefully the next time you hear from me, I'll be feeling much better.